Manipur's Chief Minister N.Biren Singh chaired a significant review meeting of the phed at the conference hall of his Secretariat office. The meeting focused on evaluating progress of the developmental projects across various districts, with an emphasis on sustainability and inclusive growth. N.Biren Singh during the session reviewed the progress of works in the pipeline and cleared proposals for new projects to develop the state's infrastructure without leaving out any community. The review assumed significance in the backdrop of the government's commitment to promote development that was in tune with sustainable practices and inclusive policies. Chief Minister Singh visited Raj Bhavan, where he met with Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya. The discussion revolved around the welfare of all communities within the state and the ongoing efforts to maintain peace and harmony. Both leaders reiterated their dedication to promoting societal cohesion and addressing community concerns effectively.